Okay, let's look at example 6. A satellite has a mass of 100 kg and is located 2 exponent 6 meter above the surface of Earth. What is the potential energy associated with the satellite at this location? So we are given satellite with mass 100 kg and it is located 2 exponent 6 meter above the surface of the Earth. Okay, so let's say this is the Earth and then we have satellite here. Okay, let's say this is the satellite lah. And this satellite is at a distance of 2 exponent 6 meter. And then we want to find what is the potential energy. Okay, so this one we straight away use this. Okay, this equation of potential energy, U is equal to negative G mm divided by R. Okay, so from here, since we have two mass, we have the mass of the Earth and then the mass of the satellite. So this is the mass of the Earth, this is the mass of the satellite. And R here is the distance of the object, which is of the satellite here, from the center of the Earth. Okay, they must be from the center of the Earth. So we know that the Earth has the radius, which is given here. This is the radius of the Earth. So bermaksud R dekat sini adalah radius of the Earth tambah dengan the distance of the satellite. Sebab satellite ni dia bagi tahu distance dia adalah 2 exponent 6 meter daripada surface of the Earth, which is here. That's why kita kena tambah dengan radius. So just masukkan negative and G is the constant, which is 6.67 exponent negative 11. And then mass of the Earth, this one. And then mass of the satellite is 100 kg. Okay, divided by the radius. So you just tambah 6.38 exponent 6 tambah 2 exponent 6. So make sure unit adalah sama, which is in SI unit. So tekan calculator, you will get the potential energy is equal to negative 4.76 exponent 9 joule. Okay, next one we look at example 7. After the sun exhausts its nuclear fuel, its ultimate fate may be to collapse to a white dwarf state. In this state, it would have approximately the same mass as it has now, but its radius would be equal to the radius of the Earth. Calculate the gravitational potential energy associated with 1 kg object at the surface of the white dwarf. Okay, so initially we have a sun, and then this sun collapsed to a white dwarf. So this is the sun and then they collapse to white dwarf. So maksudnya sekarang ni kita punya state yang kita perlu tengok adalah this one. Okay, so this white dwarf has the same mass as the sun, but the radius would be equal to the radius of the Earth. Okay, so mass sama, which is mass of the sun, radius pula adalah sama dengan radius of the Earth, which is given here. Okay, so this one let me padam. So now kita hanya ada white dwarf. Okay, now what we want is to calculate the gravitational potential energy associated with a 1 kg object. So kita ada satu object with the mass of 1 kg at the surface of the white dwarf. So dekat surface dia lah sini. So this is the object with mass 1 kg. So this one straightforward juga sebab kita mau cari adalah potential energy. So gunakan formula yang sama divided by R. So here, since the object is on the surface, so R here will be equal to the distance, to the radius of the Earth, which is this one. Tidak perlu tambah sebab dia memang ngam-ngam dekat surface. So you just masukkan all of the all of the value that we have. Mass is 1.9 at 9, exponent 30 kg, and then mass of the object is 1 kg, and then divided by the radius. Okay, and then tekan calculator, you will get negative 2.08 exponent 13. Exponent 13, so dekat sini tertinggal 3.